Imagine waking up one morning and London is buried under snow. Paris feels like Siberia. Rome sees frozen fountains and blizzards. No, this isn't a movie plot. This could be our future. Scientists are whispering warnings. Europe might freeze over within the next 50 years. But why? And is it already too late to stop it? This is not a tale of fiction. This is the story of a terrifying possibility that science dares not ignore. Welcome to DeepPrism, where shadows hide secrets and truth lies just beneath the ice. Today, we dive into one of the most chilling predictions of our time, a coming freeze not caused by nature alone, but accelerated by our own hands. What if Europe's mild climate collapses, not in centuries, but in mere decades? Let's begin. Europe is blessed with an unusually mild climate, despite its northern latitude. Why? Because of the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC. It's a vast ocean conveyor belt that brings warm water from the tropics up to Europe. It keeps places like London and Berlin far warmer than cities on the same latitude in Canada or Russia. But what if this conveyor belt broke? In 2021, a study revealed something terrifying. The AMOC is weakening and might collapse sooner than anyone expected. Some models now suggest this could happen within 40 to 50 years. If that happens, Europe could face a mini ice age, not just cold winters, but year-round freezing, failing crops, fuel crises, and mass migration. Global warming is melting Greenland's ice sheets at an alarming rate. That meltwater floods the North Atlantic, diluting the salty seawater that AMOC depends on. Less salt equals less density equals the conveyor slows down and might stop altogether. It's like throwing sand into the gears of a machine. It grinds to a halt. Ironically, global warming might cause Europe to freeze. This isn't the first time Earth has seen such a climate flip. About 12,000 years ago, during the Younger Dryas, temperatures in Europe plummeted rapidly. Some scientists say within a decade, regions became tundra. The cause? A sudden surge of fresh water. Exactly like today, history is repeating itself. And this time, we're the trigger. What would a frozen Europe look like? Southern England under snow for months, vineyards in France gone, Germany's rivers frozen, halting trade millions moving south to escape the cold energy demand skyrockets, but renewables freeze. It could spark economic collapse, political turmoil, and global ripple effects. In the early 2000s, Pentagon analysts warned US leaders a sudden climate change could lead to nuclear conflict, war, famine. The warnings were ignored, buried, mocked. But today, even mainstream media can't deny what scientists are seeing. And while many governments prepare for heat waves, few are preparing for cold chaos. 2023 saw record disruptions in AMOC patterns. Iceland experienced record snowfall. Norway's coast had sub-zero temperatures in spring. Fishermen are reporting changing currents. Whales are migrating differently. Nature is screaming, and we aren't listening. There's still time. Cutting emissions, halting deforestation, and investing in renewable infrastructure can help. But the clock is ticking, and the next 20 years will determine the next 200. Europe's future may depend on what we do now. So, will Europe freeze over? Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not in 10 years, but the seeds are planted and the frost is already creeping in. Thank you for watching DeepPrism, where shadows hold secrets and science whispers warnings. Like, share, and subscribe before the snow falls.